Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about one indicator which I have find it on the web. So weighted moving index, I think. So that was available in TradingView. Just that was looking quite good. So it is working based on the weighted moving, the weighted movement, momentum, and volatility. So this indicator. So based on this indicator, weighted momentum and volatility indicator WMI. So this was looking good while I'm checking the backtest report, and I'm just seeing that the histogram of that volatility and weighted momentum. So it was showing you some good movement. So when that volatility, so which is increased above the zero line, there may be a like ASM oscillator, but it is not filtering based on ASM oscillator. It was different logic they are used, and there is a changeover, and again there is a changeover, and this is the daily time frame. So maybe it is looking like a positional one, and after this changeover, there is a good move, and there is also be, and here it is a flat positive and something negative, and then it was showing a flat range move. So if that histograms are looking higher, and that would be some good movement which is seen on after the formation of this pattern. And this I try to create in a charting. So I was trying to get finding out those stocks which we are trying to find by using a charting. So I try to find create this indicator, and it is not possible, and it was not defaultly available in charting. So we have to create a custom indicator, and for to get I think 6 or 7 custom indicators. So because let you know that how it works is based on the ROC 14 period, and like and one other one is max ROC we have to fetch. Then we have to take a normal ROC. So these are all the custom coding which required to find the ROC, and then we are to finding with the ATR. I think ATR is available, 14 period ATR, and max ATR of that particular stock, and average ATR. So both almost 6 or 7 WMI. So finally we have to, by using this indicator, we have to find out WMI, and after that only we can able to create this indicator. I just tried with, and I have a success on that, and I'm not going to create any strategies here, whether which I created some scanners which is working based on this WMI indicator or not. So that is what the thing which I'm going to filter out, and I think this is a -1 and +1, and center point is 0. So maximum level is -1. That is what thing which is here. And let me try to the scanner will work or find out the stocks that we are going to find it by using our Chartink scanner. So I have already created the custom indicator. So I will share the scanner into premium Telegram group. So those who are already my premium Telegram group members, so you can also access the scanner, but you can't able to modify the time, so modify and edit the scanners, but you can modify the time frame. So this is what those who are my premium members. So this is a new scanner which we are not worked on this kind of scanners, but right now, so we are trying to find such a things based on this. But already we created that particular WMI. So it is not defaultly available in any charting, but it is a custom one. So we are already created. So WMI, weighted momentum, some index or volatility. Some daily WMI should be greater than 0. Okay, so greater than number 0. So I'm just going to check whether it is working or not. So after creating that, and it must be less than. I have done this testing, and for a study purpose, I'm just making this video. And based on this indicator, I just create a lot of scanners in futures, and let me check this. Okay, these are all the stocks which forming patterns, almost 35 stocks, which forms the pattern. So let me randomly check Bandhan Bank, uh, REC. Let me go for REC. What is happening here? And let me go to REC. Yesterday, that value is minus 0.02, and today the value is 0.06, where you can see the value here. At this point, you can look at the value. Whether yesterday, as per our charting condition, yesterday value should be below 0 and today value should be greater than 0. So exactly it finds that particular stocks in Bandhan Bank, whether I'm just checking that scanner is working or not. So yesterday is a minus 0.08 and today is about a 0.08. I'm not discussing about any strategies over here, but how the scanner, so where you can look at the scanner when it is moving lower below 0, there is a downtrend, and whenever it crosses above, it is an uptrend. Something like as some oscillator indicator which you have used already. So based on we can try to find some good opportunities with this also. Let me try and we'll try to create a scanners, and even it was working in smaller time frame in Nifty options also. I just checked it, but let me try with a higher time frame. So let me go with the, instead of a daily, let me try for a weekly. So weekly and 1 week ago. So let me check, and these are all the stocks which forming a such a pattern by weekly, almost 25 stocks. So let me Maruti, there it is good, and weekly time frame. So yes, previous one is about exactly 0, and it was now it was about to the 0. So let me try, and it is on a weekly. So previously here it is like pure down 3 weeks, and this is the changeover, and but it could not sustain here, and again it down, and then now it is bounces back, and from that point it was giving you some good result. But we need to optimize to create a scanner, create a strategy, but this is what a coding which works. And let me try for daily thing, which is the maximum. So let me number one is the maximum. Let me find out a 0.5. So if any stock which is in 0.5, it's almost 48 stock. It is highest level. So maybe 0.7 or 0.8. Let me check 0.8. Again 27 stocks. Let me check DLF, the daily value, the histogram value. So histogram value is something around the 0.79. Okay, so exactly where you can see that is the maximum was a one level, and even it is goes to also, but something it is the highest value, or even we can also break out kind of things. This is also on a weekly time frame, so we try to daily. Daily the value is somewhere around 69, where you have calculated this greater than number 80 daily. Then 80 to 69, we need to check that whether it works. But if you're seeing more values, it is giving you some good movement on this. And Godrej properties are, if you check what is the value, it is almost 57, but why it is showing you 80? It may be a percentage. Let me go with 1 point. Godrej property is there 1.02, and we need to check it. So we need to check it, and according to the previous day's level, if it is breaches, that is also possibly we can try for a scanner. And as of now, so what we are done this, it was working, and the code is that logic is created, which is perfect. So we to try to create some scanners based on this logic, and I'm just showing you Nifty options. Also, it is showing you some. I think let me check for 24,800 in 5 minutes. Here you can there is a big movement, and after the down there is a big down. So here it is a down. Maybe we need to check it how it works, and if it is works, we can also apply this in the options also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And this is what an indicator. It is a free only, so you can search it. You can also use it. Weighted momentum and volatility indicator, WMI. So you can also search WMI. So this one. I think this is what something different. I think, yeah, both are same, something like that. So we can try to some scanners in soon by using this logic. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel.